name
Name
is
is
Juan Diego
Juan
Barragán
Barragán
Cortés.
Cortés.
And
I'm
today
today
going to prepare
today
my recipe
I
rice
rice
pudding.
food.
Let's go
Then go fish
and put
and cook
water
ugali. Ah.
and rice.
That one pork rice. Lamb
2
two
cup
cup
milk.
meat.
Mix. Now add cream milk.
Milk.
Mix
Milk. Oh,
and condensed milk. Condensed milk. Add condensed milk. Condensed milk. Mix. Mix. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks
Thanks
for watching
for watching
my
my
recipe.
video.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. El otro radio, ¿sabes? Te mismo digo.